We'll be using a logo template for this design here on Canva. Let's go over to the text tab and add a text box. We'll type in our initials we want to use as a monogram, and we'll change our text size to 200. We'll go over and change the font to monotone. This is what we want to use. We'll duplicate our text box and add our second initial. We want to the initial is grow with Rachel. So we'll position the R to be at the G, just like so, and we'll select that together and we'll group it, and we'll go to positioning and position it to the center and to the middle. We'll go over to layers and ungroup these text boxes, and we'll move the R to go over the G. I will be adding an element that represents growth. I've already customized it, and we'll click on R and change the color to what we want it to be, which is yellow. After this, we'll go over to the share button and export our file as PNG with a transparent background. Now let's click on a new tab and type in Photopea. This is where we'll be creating our mockup. We'll pick a template and we'll select a template we want. You can scroll down to see all the templates you can use, but we'll be using the first one that appeared on the page. We'll click on the link to open it up. Once it opens, we'll double tap this at the right, and we'll go over to the files and click on open and place to place our logo we exported from Canva. We'll spread that out to the size we want it to be, and we'll click on our keyboard Ctrl X or Command S depending on what keyboard you're using. It has changed it to smart objects, and we'll go over to the first tab to see what we created. We can export our file as PNG or any format we want. We'll hit on save, and let's preview what we've done. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.